Hey guys, welcome to Jiva Yoga Live. My name is Claire, and today's sequence is about yoga poses for acid refluxity. So for this sequence, we're going to start on our feet. Yoga poses for reflux acidity. So right now we have so much indigestion going on and our body is kind of pretty heated. So we want to move, we want to be able to lengthen our body to find healthy absorption of the nutrients so our body can ease its way back into a healthy digestion system as well. So we're going to find a little compression and extra movement to really aid in lengthening our body. So we're starting in mountain pose. So facing me, step your feet about hip width distance apart. You want your toes both facing forward and then really root down through your heels. You want to activate your thighs by lifting up through your kneecaps here. Draw your lower belly in to lengthen the back of your spine. Reach your hands up towards the sky and relax your shoulders. So this is Tadasana, nice and strong here with the extended arms. You can take your gaze up if you wish to. Really focus on lengthening the rib cage, the spine, and the organs inside here. And full exhales out. We're going to grab for our left wrist with our right hand, coming into a side body stretch. Inhale to reach it up a little bit higher. And then drop your left hand over towards the right side of your body. Send your hips towards the left here. Rotate your chest slightly open towards the sky. Inhaling to lengthen through the side body. And exhale, finding some extra depth here. Breathing in deeply. And exhaling completely. Coming back up through center, inhale. And then switch out your arms. So you're going to use your left hand to grab for your right wrist. Inhale to lengthen, still engaging the lower abdomen here. And exhale, right hand goes to the left side of your body. Send your hips towards the right, rotate your chest up, inhale. Relax your right shoulder as you exhale, finding a little bit more depth. Breathing in and breathing out. Inhale, coming back up through center. Connect your palms and exhale to heart center. So we really want to find these conscious long breaths here, and that's going to help reduce the stress and anxiety that we have going on and any burning indigestion that we have, any acidity in our stomach. Just coming back to that full conscious breath is really going to help relax and lower our body state. So moving on into tree pose, we're going to root down through our right heel, starting with the heel, pinky toe, big toe, and then reaching your left leg up. You're going to bring your left foot inside of your left thigh, or your left calf, or you can bring it all the way down and kickstand it on the ground here for extra balance. So I'm going to bring it in towards my right calf. So compressing that foot to the thigh here, or the calf, anywhere except your knee. Protect your joints. Bring your hands to heart center and find that compression by pushing the palms in towards one another. Find the gentle opening up the hip by drawing your left knee towards the back of your mat. Pick one point to focus on, and really lengthen all the way up through your spine, rooting down through that tailbone and that heel. Gently drawing your chin towards the center line of your body to lengthen the back of your neck. Take a full cleansing breath in, finding one point to focus on to keep balance. And a full exhale out. Staying on the right leg, lift your left knee up towards the sky here. Release your hands down by your sides and then kick your left heel back towards your left glute. Grabbing for the inside edge of our left foot or our ankle, reach your right hand up towards the sky. You want to connect your knees together here to start. Taking an inhale. And then hinging your chest forward, kicking into your left foot. Exhale, coming into dancer's pose. So you want to reach the right arm forward and actively kicking into the left foot. This will help with the counterbalance here. Staying calm with your breath, inhaling deeply and exhaling completely as you open up the body, the chest here, stretching out the stomach, removing any acidity that we have in there, and coming back up, inhaling and relaxing your leg and your foot and your arms all the way down and shake it out, right? So removing any static in our legs and our arms, just gently shake it out for a moment. And then come back to standing, and we shift it on over to the left foot. So rooting down through the heel, pinky toe, big toe, so we have a nice strong stance of where we'll be. And then lifting your right leg up. You can bring your right foot again to the thigh, the calf, or the ground. I recommend picking the same spot that you did on the other side just to create a little balance of that yin and yang here as we move into the opposite side of our body. Hands come to heart center here. Draw your right knee open towards the outside edge of your mat here. Hips stay squared towards the front. Find that compression by pressing your palms up against each other and your foot and your leg as the same as well. Really lengthening through the spine here. That's going to help gain some balance and some traction. And staying calm with your breath here to lower that state in your body, to remove any indigestion and reflexity that we're facing right now. Breathing in and breathing out. Keeping your left foot on the ground, rotate your right leg up, hands out by your sides, and then kick the right heel back towards your glute. Again, grabbing for the inside edge of that foot here. Left hand comes up and then kiss your knees together. Breath in to lengthen the spine. Kick into the right foot as you exhale, leaning your chest forward. Actively kicking here to find that counterbalance. Picking one point to focus on. It'll help with stability, and rotating your right hip down so your hip stays square towards the ground. Nice job, good balance. And then gently coming back up, inhaling and releasing your hand and your legs and shake it out again. Awesome job. Okay, so we're going to move on into warrior two stance. So we're going to step our feet out wide-legged position on the long side of our mat, both toes pointing forward to start. Starting on the right leg, we are going to rotate our right toes out at a 90-degree angle. So you want your left arch and your right heel in line with one another, so they're perpendicular. Lunge into the right knee, so the right knee is stacked over the right ankle, and rotate your hips open towards me, or towards the side here. Draw the lower belly in so your tailbone drops down, and then reach your arms out in opposite directions, coming to Virabhadrasana 2, warrior two stance. You can take your gaze forward if you want. Some people call the Superman pose like your power pose. I think Virabhadrasana 2 is more of a power pose here. Really lunging deeply into the right knee here. Staying nice and strong, knowing that we are going to fight all that reflexivity in our body right now. Full breath in. Full exhales out. Inhale, both hands up towards the sky. Rotate your right toes forward, and then coming into the other side. Left toes go out at 90 degrees. Bend your left knee, coming into warrior two on the opposite side. So again, finding that heel to arch alignment, lunging into the left knee, but opening your hips up towards the side here. Arms go nice and long, your gaze goes towards your left middle finger, relaxing the shoulders. Inhale and exhale. Breathe in and breathe out. Inhale, scoop your hands up, straighten both your legs here. This time, bring both heels in, toes facing out, hands open towards the side here, coming into star pose. So we open our chest, gently squeeze our shoulder blades together, pull that lower belly in, just opening up our hearts, lifting up, and then exhaling, hands to heart center here, walking your feet in towards one another. So now we are going to move down on towards the mat. So join me here as we come down on towards our bottom. We are going to send our legs out long in front of us, pulling out any extra flesh underneath our butt cheeks here, so our sitting bone are directly into the mat. Reaching your hands up towards the sky to lengthen your spine, inhale. And then start to reach your hands forward, continuing to lengthen the spine as you exhale, leading with your heart. Drop your hands down towards the mat. Exhale out your air. So the compression here is going to massage the organs and give your belly and your colon some extra love here, your stomach problems. Finding that compression, exhale deeper. Drag your fingertips alongside of your body as you gently unwind, coming up into sitting again. Keeping your left leg long, bend your right knee and step your right foot over your left foot. Reach your hands up towards the sky. And then drop your right hand down towards the back of your mat. Left hand comes around your right thigh, coming into a seated spinal twist. So press your right palm in towards the mat to breathe in and lengthen your spine. And exhale, twisting a little bit deeper. Reach both hands up towards the sky. Inhale. And then switch out your legs. Right leg goes long, left leg goes underneath your right leg. Inhale to lengthen. And then exhale, drop your left hand down towards the back of your mat and your right arm comes around your left thigh. Just giving you a nice gentle twist here. Inhale to lengthen. And then exhale to twist. Continuing to invite that movement inside of our body to remove any of the acid refluxity that we're facing, any stomach problems. These gentle yoga postures are really good to help the movement inside the body. Breathing in, reach your hands up towards the sky, and then bring them down to heart center. Go ahead and cross your legs, coming back into a nice seated posture. So to remove any extra acid refluxity that we're facing in our body, we want to cool it off. So we want to be eating some cooling foods, staying away from any bitter tastes, any coffee, any additives, citrus, anything that's going to cause the extra acid reflux that we don't want. We need to stay away from those foods. Thank you guys for joining. I hope you have a wonderful day. Namaste. Thank you guys for joining. It's been a pleasure having you in class today. If you have any questions or comments, please let us know what you think in the comment section below, and we would love to see you next time. Bye.